In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a logo to your invoices in Xero. Having your logo on your invoices is a simple but powerful way to make your business look more professional and on brand. By the end of this walkthrough, your invoices will automatically display your logo every time you send one out. First, open your web browser and go to Xero.com. If you're not already signed in, log into your Xero account as you normally would. You'll need access to the organization whose invoices you want to update, and typically you'll need the right permissions to change invoice settings. Once you're logged in, you should land on the main Xero dashboard. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the name of your organization. This might be your business name or the name you gave the account when you first set it up. Click on that organization name. This opens up a menu that lets you quickly jump into different areas related to your organization. From that menu, look for the option called Settings and click it. The settings area is where you control most of the behind-the-scenes configuration for your organization, including things like invoice templates, branding, and other financial settings. Once you're in settings, find and click on invoice settings. This is where Xero keeps all the options related to how your invoices look and behave. Here you'll usually see any existing branding themes or invoice templates you've already set up. Don't worry if you only see one, that's common if you haven't customized much yet. On the invoice settings page, move your attention to the top right corner. You'll see an options drop-down menu. This menu gives you extra configuration choices for the selected invoice theme. Click on the options drop-down to open it. In the drop-down list that appears, click on Change Logo. This is the specific action that lets you upload a new logo or replace an existing one on that invoice template. When you select Change Logo, Xero will open a window or panel where you can manage the image file you want to use. Next, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Click Browse to open a file selection window from your computer. Before you do this, it's helpful if you've already saved your logo somewhere easy to find, such as your desktop or a dedicated brand folder. Ideally, use a clear, high-quality image file, like a PNG or JPEG, with a transparent or clean background so it looks good on the invoice. When the file browser opens, navigate to the folder where your logo image is stored. Click on the logo file you want to use, then click Open. This doesn't upload it yet, it just tells Xero which file you've chosen. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the correct logo version, especially if you have multiple variations. Back in Xero, you should now see the file name appear next to the Browse button. To finish the process, click Upload. Xero will upload the logo and apply it to the selected invoice theme. After a moment, you should see a preview showing your new logo in place. From here, you can save and, if you like, create a test invoice or preview an existing one to confirm everything looks correct. That's all you need to do. Your logo is now attached to your Xero invoice template and will automatically appear on future invoices that use that branding theme.